Tracking your income in the app is super easy. Hit the plus button at the top to log your income. You can choose an image from your photo library or directly from your camera. Once you've taken the image, then input some of the information about the income, the title, the date, the amount, and we're going to be working out the local sales tax for your income. Right now you can see VAT, but in Australia, America, etc., you'll see your own local sales tax. Hit save when you've complete, and now you can start viewing and taking actions on the income that you've logged. Use the search bar at the top to find a particular piece of income that you wish for. You can also filter from the date from and to, so if you wanted to find out all bits of income from January, you can do this here. Now if you want to export your income and take it outside of the app, you can do this by hitting the tick button in the top and then selecting the relevant bits of income that you'd like to export. You can send it to yourself, to your accountant, or to any other email address that you wish. You can also do this one by swiping left on the piece of income that you would like to export.